Hey guys, how's it going? How to fix audio glitches with Revid AI. To fix audio glitches in Revid AI, what you're gonna do, you need to check the source audio. Make sure that the source audio is playing. So let me go to the source right here and click on it. And you're gonna be able right here to see the voiceover. Click on it. You're gonna be able to hear it. Just because I didn't allow for Mac to release or basically open the or turn on the audio for you guys, so you cannot hear it. But in my case, I'm actually hearing it. If you have a problem, just mute it and or unmute it again, right? And make sure that you use the noise reduction. Apply built-in noise reduction or audio repair tools in Revid AI. In that case, you can go ahead to the audio, and you can see right here the background music. If the background music somehow causes that issue, you could just go ahead and reduce the background music in order to fix it. If it didn't, you could just go ahead to the voiceover, delete it, and re-upload the audio again. Okay, and manual edit, trim or replace problem sections of the audio. Right, if the audio problem started from here, for example, I'm gonna go ahead and pause right here and hit split, right, to use it on that part. Okay, so I'm gonna use split right here, not here. I'm gonna use split a media, right? So I'm gonna click this media and split it. Sometimes the glitches happens because you import the video and there is a problem with Revid AI during that time, but you can hear the audio in your project, right? In this project dashboard. So what you're gonna do, re-export the video again, right, with the same resolution, and make sure that you set the compression high, even though it will take longer, but it will actually generate a high quality video, and set the frame rate to be 60, to be at 60 at least, so we can basically download the highest quality video, right? So make sure that you split the part and make sure that you use the audio reduction, right? So you can reduce the audio noise coming from the music that might cause that problem. And you could go ahead and click the audio again to reduce that audio, and make sure that you didn't mute that audio in order to hear it. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.